I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this wig. This wig comes in different colors, black to 30, color 30, blonde. So always choose the color that you prefer, or just let me know the color that you prefer. For more details, you can check the description box down below for my website and my WhatsApp number. This wig comes in different sizes, small, medium and large. Always choose your size for perfect fit.